from the church, he hears the sweet sound. Jesus, lover of my soul, let me do thy will. He stopped and listened to every sweet chord. He remembered the time he once loved the Lord. Come on, sister tempter, come on with the throng, but hark from the church again swift the sound. While the billows near me roar, while the tempest still is high. Oh, tempter, depart, I have served thee too long. I fly to the Savior, he dwells in that song. Oh Lord, can it be that a sinner like me may find a sweet refuge by coming to thee? Lord, I come, thou forgive the